How can I ensure safe use of my indoor kerosene heater?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic: how to ensure safe use of your indoor kerosene heater. As we all know, kerosene heaters can be a great source of heat, especially during the cold months. But like any appliance, it's essential to use them correctly to prevent any risk of accidents or health hazards.
What precautions should I take before using a kerosene heater?
First and foremost, always read and follow the manufacturer's instructions that come with your heater. These instructions are specifically designed for your model and will provide the safest operation procedures. Use the right kind of fuel. Only use 1K grade kerosene, which burns cleaner than other types. Never use gasoline or other types of fuel, as these can cause a fire or even an explosion. Check your heater before use. Make sure the wick is in good condition, and there are no leaks in the fuel tank or fuel lines. Ensure that the heater is stable and set up on a flat surface to prevent tipping.
How can I use a kerosene heater safely?
When using your kerosene heater, maintain proper ventilation. Despite burning clean, kerosene does produce some gases like carbon monoxide that can be harmful in high concentrations. Crack a window or door slightly to ensure fresh airflow. Never leave a kerosene heater unattended. Turn it off if you are leaving the room for a significant amount of time, and especially when you go to bed. Keep the heater out of the reach of children and pets, and make sure it is at a safe distance from flammable materials such as furniture, curtains, or rugs.
How should I maintain my kerosene heater?
Regular maintenance is key to ensure the longevity and safety of your heater. Clean your heater regularly, making sure to remove any dust or soot that may accumulate over time. Replace the wick as recommended by the manufacturer. A worn-out wick won't burn efficiently and could increase the risk of a fire. And there we have it. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the safe use of your indoor kerosene heater. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when using any heating appliances. Thank you for watching, and stay warm and safe.